Sweet pea, apple of my eye. Don't know when and I don't know why. You're the only reason I keep on coming home.
Ang namiss ko sa Pilipinas, pag Pasko, siyempre dito, yung mga bata na mamasko sa bahay. Yung mga pagkain, siyempre, namiss namin yon. May mga, yung mga pagkain katulad ng puto bumbong, yung simbang gabi, meron din doon, pero kung minsan wala doon sa lugar namin. Kaya dadayo pa kami sa malayo. Yung gano'n. At saka yung, siyempre, pagka yung lumabas ka, ang saya-saya, magkakain yan, di ba? Yun ang na-miss namin doon sa
I know I'm gonna crumble, I'm trying to stay humble, but I never think before I say.
Kayo'y magsiuwi dito at napakasaya ng Pasko. At ang Pilipinas ay napakaunlad na at marami ng bagay na hindi yung iba na nabago na. Ang dami-dami ng bago.
Sweet pea, keeper of my soul. I know sometimes I'm out of control. You're the only reason I keep on coming. You're the only reason I keep on coming, yeah. You're the only reason I keep on coming home.
Gusto ko lang palo ah!
Mamaya tita.
Ang cute ko! Gusto! Nanginginig lang ako. Hindi ko alam. Ito palang ginawa ninyo sa akin.
Masaya kayo tita?
Oo. Naluluhang ako sa kasiyahan.
Kaya pala binili ako para sa Tagalog
For once in my life, I have someone who needs me, someone I've needed so long. For once unafraid, I can go where life leads me. Somehow I know I'll be strong. For once I can touch what my heart used to dream of long before I knew that someone warm like you could make my dreams come true. For once in my life, I won't let sorrow hurt me, not like it's hurt me.
Masigabong palakpakan para po sa ating minamahal na si Tita Elsa Obi Sanchez.
Desert me, I'm not alone anymore. For once I can say this is mine, you can't take it. As long as I know I have love, I can make it. For once in my life, I have someone who needs me.
Kami po ang nagkokontakan. Kaya pala, si Ate Baby at si Kuya Boyet, kasama po sila sa mga plano. Lahat po sila. Kaya po, lahat po ay alam sa Amerika itong araw na ito na kayo po ay magse-celebrate ng birthday party. Kayo lang po ang hindi nakakaalam.
Kaya pala, sabi sa akin ni Milet, ate, huwag kang magpuso, birthday mo, kasi mapapagod ka.
I got love, I can make it. For once in my life, I have someone. For once
Chances are, 'cause I wear a silly grin the moment you come into view. Chances are you think that I'm in love with you. Just because my composure sort of slips the moment that your lips meet mine. Chances are you think my heart's your Valentine. In the magic of moonlight, when I sigh, hold me close, dear. Chances are you believe the stars that fill the skies are in my eyes. Guess you feel you'll always be the one and only one for me. And if you think you could, well, chances are your chances are awfully good. Chances are you believe the stars that fill the skies are in my eyes. Guess you feel you'll always be the one and only one for me. And if you think you could, well, chances are your chances are awfully good. The chances are your chances are awfully good.
Oo nga. Mo ako dyan.
Thank you.
anniversary!
Happy birthday!
Happy
Say,
We love you!
Maligayang kaarawan sa aking kapatid Tita Bobby Santos.
Sa iyong kaarawan, ikay aking hahagdan. Hindi sutlang kumikinang, hindi gintong kumikinang, kundi ito isang buong pagmamahal, magpakailanman, kaibigan. Ay, happy birthday, may you have many. How many? Sasabihin ko, maligaya sa susunod. Salamat po sa ito. Maligaya sa susunod. Magaling ho itong cook. Kaya nito, mahilig magpakain. And she's really very helpful. Kaya praise God for you. And I'm so thankful na palakasin pa tayo ng Lord. Kaya naman lahat tayo at magilit tayong blessing sa iyo. Thank you very much. God bless you. Happy birthday and happy anniversary. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga tulong ng ginawa sa amin. At Esther, happy birthday at happy anniversary sa inyo. Salamat sa lahat ng mga itinulong niyo sa amin. Hindi po namin makakalimutan.
Ay, tama! Mabuhay! Magmamahalan tayo! Magmamahalan!
Happy birthday po.
Thank you!
Happy birthday.
Ay, naku! Kakinaanan! Iiyak pa!
Unforgettable in every way, and forevermore.
Thank you very much sa lahat!
That's how
I married the whole family of Bobbies. Not only Esther, but all the families. Anyway, I'm very happy for 51 years married. And what can I say? We have 6 grandchildren, 2 kids, 1 boy, 1 son, and 1 daughter.
that I'm
Thanks God, we are still alive. My 75 years old birthday and Esther 75. So that's good enough, and with that sign that we are in good health. Thank you so much.
You say you've been overseas, you say overwhelmed, you say just a holiday, my impatient head. Does the moonlight shine on Paris after the sun goes down? If I follow the sunset, will it ever end? Or does the moonlight shine on Paris? Oh,
Doble ang celebration sa inyong birthday po, sa Easter, and sa inyong wedding anniversary. Kami po'y talagang nagagalak at natutuwa na naging bahagi po kami.
Ako tatlong taong niligawan to 3 years na napunta ko sa kanila from Cavite to Quezon. That's once a week. That's
when I'm
almost,
awfully low,
3 hours.
Ako'y may boyfriend.
when the world
Ang sabi ng tatay ko sa akin, yan na lang ang ibigin mo.
just thinking
Pag yan ang ginusto mo, ikaw ay rin na habang buhay. Kaya ako'y sumunod sa tatay ko at gusto ko din naman po siya. Sabi nga niya sa akin, pag ako napangasama mo, wala akong problema. Napakabusilak ng puso ng asawa ko. At ipinagmamalaki sa
ang pagdiriwang dahilan sa kanilang
with your smile so warm
nalakbay na mga taon
and
sa
your
kanilang
cheeks so
pagsasama bilang
soft.
mag-asawa for 51
There
years.
is nothing
Tunay
for
na
me
napakabuti mo
but to
ikaw ay laging nangunguna sa kanilang buhay, anuman ang kanilang mga naranasan sa kanilang paglalakbay bilang mag-asawa.
With each word your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose, it touches my foolish heart. Lovely, never ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you just the way you look tonight.
Lubos po tayo nagpapasalamat dahil kayo po ay bigyan po talaga ni Lord ng kalakasan na makapag-celebrate pa po ng ganito po.
With each word your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose, it touches my foolish heart. Lovely, don't you ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you just the way